Do you need to move? If so, this is the right video for you. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team in eXp Realty, and every day I help people like you buy and sell homes and move to their dream home. And I'm going to tell you how in 5 minutes or less. If you need to move to the Indianapolis area, you have come to the right place, because I'm going to help you do it, and I'm going to explain the entire process here so that everything is visible and transparent to you. Now, the best way to get started is through dialogue and communication. So click on my scheduling link right now. Don't wait till the end of the video and schedule time on my calendar. That way we can jump on a video call. We could even do an in-person or phone call, whatever's easiest, and really talk through everything you're looking for. We'll talk through all the areas you're interested, the type of home you're looking for, your timeline, all of that. We'll get that in place. After our meeting, I'll have you sign a document called the Buyer Agency Agreement. Basically, this establishes our relationship together and says, I'm your agent, you're my client, and it gives me the ability to represent you and show you homes. And if you need to finance the home, we'll then move into connecting you with a lender. I've got great lender partners I've worked with on different transactions with different clients, but you're always welcome to find your own lender as well. They'll have you do what's called a pre-approval. So you fill out a form with them, you submit all your financial documents, and they'll give you a document that tells you what your purchasing power is going to be, what type of loan is going to work best for your goals. And we need that in hand to be able to put in offers. So if you're a cash purchaser, we need proof of funds, like a bank account statement, for instance. And if you are putting a mortgage on the house, then we're going to need that pre-approval. After our meeting, you're getting your pre-approval in place. I'm going to set up a search for you. It's going to send you homes from the MLS that are going to be a fit for what you're looking for. And if it needs tweaked, you're going to text me and you're going to let me know, hey, something's wrong here. Let's tweak this. Once we get it perfect, you're going to identify all the addresses that you want to go see. I'm going to put them together in a tour with a really sensible path that we can follow in Google Maps or whatever. And we will go out, whether it takes one day or multiple days, and we will do big chunks of touring time. That way you can compare multiple houses instead of seeing one here and one there. And it saves us both on drive time and just makes the whole process simpler. Once you've identified the house that you want, this is your dream home, then we're going to put in an offer. Thankfully, you already got your proof of funds in place or your pre-approval. And with that, we are going to submit a strong offer. If it's one that you want, we will have terms that will be attractive to the seller. Once we get under contract with that seller, everyone celebrates and we move into super fast action towards closing. So after your offer is accepted, we're going to turn in your earnest money. It's going to go to the title company here in Indiana, and it's usually 1 to 3%, depending on if it's a new build, if it's an existing build. But you're going to wire funds from your bank account, and you're going to get all the information directly from the title company. Don't get it from anywhere else, because wire fraud is a real thing, and you do not want any part of that. So next up, we're going to schedule inspection. Now we're looking at the condition of the home. I've got a couple great inspector partners I can recommend to you. You're always welcome to get your own as well if there's someone else you like. Once we get that inspector in there, they'll give us what's called the inspection report. We'll make requests to the seller based on what's in the report. And with that, we will have another round of negotiations. So anything that needs fixed will get fixed. Any big issues, any red flags, those will be our top priority. Aesthetic things, not as important here. Usually those are simple to fix on your own. We're talking about the bones of the house. Now, if you're financing the house, you're also going to have an appraisal. The appraisal is for the mortgage company, the bank, whomever you're going with. They're sending someone out there to protect their investment. The appraiser is an independent third party. They say roughly what they think the house is worth. And that way the mortgage company knows that they are having a good investment. Sometimes that can make the deal go wonky, depends on the appraiser and how it comes in. Usually it's relatively close to the purchase price, but that can have additional negotiation. Once we get through all those negotiations, we're going to move into closing. And you have a sheet that'll come from your lender. You'll have the settlement statement from the title company. Once everything's reconciled across those, we will walk through that together to make sure you know everything that is going to be paid to you or that you're going to pay. We get to the closing table. Before we sit down at the closing table, we're going to do a final walkthrough on the property, make sure all the repairs are done and that the house looks great. Then we drive to closing. Sometimes it's a remote or virtual closing, but a lot of times you're sitting down at the table to sign your papers. If you're financing it, you're gonna have a ton of papers to sign. If you're doing cash, you're gonna have fewer papers to sign. But in either case, we're gonna sign everything. You're going to get the title for your home, and then you're gonna file your homestead exemption later so you don't overpay in taxes, and you are gonna be a happy new homeowner. And because I did such a great job for you, you're gonna do two things for me at that time. You're gonna leave me a 5-star Google review and say, Evan, thank you so much. You're my best friend. And number two, you're gonna refer me out to all of your friends, family, coworkers, whoever, so I can serve them and do a great job for them as well. That is the full process. It's a whirlwind once you get started, but it all starts with communication. So book time with me below. I can't wait to talk to you, and let's get you moved to Indianapolis and the surrounding area. I'm Evan Deal with Elite Icon Team and eXp Realty, and I hope this was helpful. I can't wait to work with you. If you want to see a bunch of area content, check out the other videos on our channel. See you in the next one.